Hi, welcome back to another lesson on English grammar. In this lesson, we're going to learn the past continuous tense. We will learn how to form the sentence, and we will practice with example questions and answers. So let's get started. Okay, so here is a chart of the 12 verb tenses. So today's lecture, we're going to learn how to use the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. So here is a timeline. So the action started in the past and it continued for a little bit. Here is an example sentence. Okay, let's learn how to form the sentence first. So we have the subject plus the verb to be in the past plus the verb plus ing. I was cooking. They were playing outside. So let's review the verb to be in the past. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were. So let's read some examples. I was eating ice cream. You were eating ice cream. He was eating ice cream. She was eating ice cream. It was eating ice cream. We were eating ice cream. You were eating ice cream. For this you, it's plural. That means you all were eating ice cream. Or all of you were eating ice cream. They were eating ice cream. Okay, so let's practice. What were you doing this morning? I was talking to my neighbor. What were you doing at the mall yesterday? I was shopping. What was she talking about this afternoon? She was talking about her homework. Was talking. What were you watching on TV? I was watching the news. Was watching. Who was making that loud noise? My kids were making that loud noise. What was she studying in college? She was studying biology. What were you doing at the park last Saturday? I was jogging. What were they baking yesterday? They were baking a cake. What were you studying? I was studying English. Who was talking to you earlier? My friend was talking to me earlier. What were you doing in the kitchen this afternoon? I was baking a cake. Who was Sarah talking to on the phone? She was talking to her sister. What was he wearing? He was wearing a green shirt and black pants. Who was making a mess in the kitchen? The kids were making a mess in the kitchen. What were they talking about? They were talking about the weather. Okay, so once again, this is the past continuous tense. I hope you've learned something from this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.